birthday to you. Hello, Kara. Happy 18th birthday. Um, I just want to let you know that uh, I'll never forget your birthday. Yeah, rock on. I don't want to be formal or anything. I just want to be myself. Pwede ba Tagalog? Joke. I haven't tried this Cebu stuff kasi I never had one and I never planned on having one. But for a special girl like you, I know this kind of birthday, this kind of celebration is very much needed. Needed. It's necessary. It's a necessity. No. I know you're special, that's why you're celebrating your 18th birthday this way. Um, I just want to let you know that I miss you so much. I love you. I just want to wish you everything you want. So, no, not everything you want, but everything you need. I wish you all happiness in the world. I wish you good life, good health, luck in your studies, most especially in your chosen career. Um, I wish you more birthdays to come. Uh, I wish that you would always be happy. I wish that our friendship, our barkadahan, will live on forever. Uh, you and I have known each other for quite a while now, and um, knowing you, knowing you, and becoming one of my friends, um, super nice gift na talaga yun sa akin ni Lord. And I hope yun din yung pinaka best gift na natanggap mo. Yung friendship natin. Our friendship, our barkadahan, yung pasaway. Again, I just wanna wish you a very great 18th birthday. Asawan pa, di ba? Pero, wala lang. You're celebrating today because I know, um, Semana Santa ba yun? Oo, Semana Santa. Um, basta, happy birthday! May candle ako sa'yo. Light ko lang. Tapos, blow ko rin. Okay. Make a wish. 1, 2, 3. I hope all your wishes will come true. Um, just remember, I love you. I care for you. I cherish you so much as my friend. Um, always know that I'll always be here. If you need me, whenever you need me, or even if you don't, I'm just here. Kahit malayo ako. Um, I love you. Happy 18th birthday. Ingat. Mwah.